Hey y'all, I'm Kinky. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing this Kinky straight half wig from ISEE Hair. It has an invisible hairline and is perfect for the flip over method. It has lots of straps and a drawstring for security, and the hair came super full and in great condition. So let's go ahead and get it installed. So for this install, I'm going to be doing the flip over method, and this is actually my first time trying it, so I'm excited to try it out. I went ahead and braided the back of my hair, and then I just have the front section left out. I put the wig on, and then I just took those combs that were on each side and just tucked them underneath the braid to make sure that the wig is nice and secure and it's going to stay in place. And it fit nice and snug. I love how adjustable it was. Like I said, it does come with an adjustable strap, a little drawstring in the back, plus you have your combs, so it definitely felt like it was in place and ready to go. And I loved how full this wig came. It is such nice quality. Also, the Kinky straight texture is perfect. Like, it literally matches my hair and looks like it's coming from my scalp. So I'm about to go ahead and work on my leave out. I'm starting off on freshly washed and blowed out hair, so I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle it a little bit. I used a blow dryer, some hair oil, and then I just straightened each side. After straightening my leave out, I just combed it into the wig to see how well my hair was blending in, and y'all, it is literally a perfect match. I love this texture, and ISEE Hair just has such nice quality hair, and it's just so full. Like, I just kept playing around with it. It looks so good. And like I said, I already liked the texture of the wig, so I didn't really want to do too much. I decided to go in and add some big curls to it, and I also used a little bit of hair oil on each section. So I just went ahead, curled my whole head, and then I'll catch back up with you guys. Alright y'all, and here is the finished look. The texture match is so good. I am in love. And again, this is a invisible hairline half wig from ISEE Hair. It's in their kinky straight texture and it's flip over method friendly. The hair is such great quality and it's full. I absolutely love ISEE Hair. I went ahead and added a little headband to give it even more style, and I just think that this wig is so cute and you can do so much with it. I have all of the information for it down in my description box, so definitely check that out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching.